Hey guys, really quickly, I just wanted to make a really quick, fast video tutorial on how to properly save and load Delphi projects. The reason I'm doing this is because I've had well over probably 10 or 15 different people tell me, hey man, the first time I saved my project, I never really understand it. Like, I don't get it. Like, because I saved my project and then I opened my stuff and I got like files all over the place. Like, it asked me to save twice. I don't understand why. Blah, 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 blah. So guys, go to your desktop, right click, make a new folder. Here, let me try that again. And then we're going to call it demo project. And I'm going to go and just leave that folder on my desktop. Then I'm going to go back to Delphi. Then I'm going to go File, New, Windows VCL Format Application, or whatever the heck you want to build. So just wait for it to load up. And I'm going to drag this on over where we can actually see what it is we're doing. Okay, so at this stage, essentially, all you have to do is go ahead and put on some buttons, whatever you're going to do. You know, pretend like you were making an actual program. Okay, I'm just going to drag a bunch of stuff, drop a bunch of stuff, whatever. Okay, now you're going to go to File, and you're going to go to Save Project As. Not Save As, not Save. Save Project As, folks. Okay, click on that. I'm going to browse to my desktop. I'm going to go to my demo project folder. So I'm inside of the demo project folder, as you can clearly see, and I'm going to just leave the unit1.pascal file named unit1.pas. I normally don't ever change these unless I'm trying to make them something a little more meaningful. So I just hit save. So this is to save the Pascal source code. Okay, you guys understand this? This is saving your Pascal source code file to this location. So hit save. Then it's going to prompt you to save the project. This stands for Delphi. D stands for Delphi. Project. Get it? Delphi project. So this I always rename. I just select the project one, not the .d project extension. But it doesn't matter. You could actually erase the whole thing if you wanted to. It still saves as a .d project anyway. But I'm going to call it demo proj. Okay? Project. Demo project. There you have it. Demo project.dproj. And then I'm going to hit save. Perfect. Now I'm going to close out of Delphi. So I'm going to go File, Close All to close every project that's currently open in the IDE. And now we are going to see that we have our project here. We can just open it by clicking this. Or, more properly, how I do it is File, Open, right here, not Open Project, not Open from version control, just open, okay? Open, and then go to Desktop, Demo Project, and open the one that's red, the dproj. The Delphi project is the one you're wanting to open. So just double click on it, or click Open on it while it's selected. And boom, you'll be presented with your project. And there you have it, boys. It is that simple to save and load a Delphi project. Okay, I hope you guys learned something from this. If anyone else has any further inquiries on, making video requests, please let me know, and I'll try to get around to making them. Peace out, guys.